Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video we got this 2010 Cummins here that needs a CP3. So let's get her inside and let's get it done. Alright, so for getting the CP3 out, pretty easy on these trucks. Take the intake horn off, take the charge pipe and unhook that. It goes there. Unhook the EGR valve for 6.7. For 5.9 you don't have any of that. Unhook the fuel feed line. It's a banjo bolt. And then there is a hard line that goes into the side of the fuel rail. Right there. It goes to the back of the injection pump. Unhook the electrical connector. This is a little 2-wire thing. And then the CP3s only have 3 nuts that you have to take off. So unhook those 3 nuts. Then come around to the front. You can see down there an access hole. Take the cover off for that, and the timing cover. And then you have to put a harmonic balancer puller or a injection pump gear puller onto the front, and then pop the gear off. So for the CP3, I showed you one of the gears in the previous video. You can just use a harmonic balancer puller for the CP3 and that'll fit right in there. And then once you have the gear off, the pump will pop out. So on the pump you do have an O-ring there that holds it in. But other than that, it's pretty simple. There's 1 bolt, 2 bolts, 3 bolts, your electrical connector, the fuel feed line for the pump, feed line for the rail, and then the return line from the pump. So now the pump's out, you can clean up the mating surface and stuff for the pump on the back of the timing cover, and then yeah, you're ready to go back in. On these ones, there's no keyway, there's no timing mark, there's nothing like that. It's all controlled. All the injection timing is controlled by the computer. So these ones are pretty foolproof and pretty simple to put in and out. All right, so we got our new injection pump here. So let's get her on the truck. All right, so there we go. We got the pump mounted back in. The 3 mount bolts on the back go in. Got a return line hooked up. The feed line's hooked up. This fitting out of the old pump had to be swapped over to the new pump. And we also have our pressure line coming up and out to the rail. Front cover plug is back in. The nut is torqued to 77 foot-pounds. And yeah, let's get the intake horn and everything back on and get her fired up. There we go, everybody. CP3's in. The truck is running like a champ. So hopefully you enjoyed this video, and we will catch you on the next one. And don't forget to like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and subscribe on YouTube. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.